Students, how are you? Prep 2. Today we'll solve model number 5 from the الدقهلية government in this year 2026. Model number 5. Okay? Listen to me about question number 1. Ensure the correct answer. If A and B are two consecutive integers less than root 11 and root 11 less than, find square root of or 2 plus 2. First step, we have square root of 11. Look at here. Square root of 11 greater than and less than. Greater than square root of 9 and less than square root of 16, because square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 11 here greater than square root of 9 equal 3. Then square root of 11 lies between 3 and 4. Then the value of A equal 3 and B equal 4. He won't find square root of A power 2 plus B power 2. A equal 3. 3 power 2 is 9. Then the answer here will be 9 plus 16. Square root of 16 plus 9 equal 25. Square root of 25 equal 5. First, 3 power 2, 9. B power 2 is 16. Square root of 25 equal 5. Then the answer here will be 5. Understood? You can solve the example by calculator also. Find square root of 11. The answer lies between 3 and 4. Then the integers here will be 3 and the next integers will be 4. We have consecutive integers 3 and 4. Then the answer will be 5. Square root of A power 2 plus B power 2. Next question. Number 2. Text of the numbers. Text of the numbers here. It's meaning what? It's meaning 1 over 6 reduced by 2 power 12 reduced by 3 power 12. We can write 1 over 6 reduced by, look at here, 2 times 3, we can write 2 and 3 in brackets, all power 12. And then write 1 over 6 reduced by 2 times 3 equals 6, 6 power 12. We have 6 power 12 in numerator and numerator 6. We can find the difference between power in numerator and denominator. Right, 6 power 12 minus 1 equal 11. Then the result will be 6 power 11. It's a rule about find the answer to divided. You must find the difference between two powers. If x power 2 plus 2xy plus y power 2 equal 36, then find the value x plus y. We have x power 2 plus 2xy plus y power 2 equal 36. We have perfect square here, x square root of the first and the third. I'll write the sign in the middle. All power 2 equals 36. Then x plus y equal positive or negative square root of 36 equal positive or negative 6. The answer here will be positive or negative 6. Next question. Find the simplest form for the values. 3 over 2 product by cubic root 256 subtract by 12 over cubic root of 16 plus cubic root of 32. Look at here, 256. We want to find cubic root. We can write factorizing about this number. Okay, or you can put 3 over 2 inside this fraction. You can write 3 over 2 inside this fraction, product itself 3 times. It's meaning 9 over 8 product by 256. I put this number 2 times 2 times 2 equal 8, 3 times 3 times 3 equal 27. And then subtract by cubic root of 16 will be 8 product by 2. And here 32 equal 8 times 4, because 4 times is 32. And the cubic root of 8 equal 2. We can find the answer about this. 25 divided by 8 equal what? We have 27, and 25 divided by 8 you can simplest equal 3. 3 times 8 24, and the remainder 1. 16 divided by 8 equal 2. It will be 32. Look at here, and we have cubic root. Subtract by, we can find 12 and cubic root of 8 equal 2, cubic root of 2, and then cubic root of 8 equal 2, and then cubic root of 4. You can complete here. Cubic root of 27, it will be out 3. 3 cubic root of 32 subtract by 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 6 over cubic root of 2. Okay, complete with me. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And then plus 2 product by cubic root of 4. Cubic root of 38. We can write 38 here equal 8 times 4. Right, 3 product by cubic root of 8 product by 4. Subtract by, we can find the answer 6 over cubic root of 2 by product numerator and numerator by cubic root of 2. Okay? Right, 6 cubic root of 2 product by cubic root of 2 product by cubic root of 2. And then simplest it. Cubic root of 8 equal 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 product by cubic root of 4 subtract by cubic root of 2 product to cubic root of 2 equal cubic root of 2. And then you can write also product by 4 to cancel this power. Product by cubic root of 4. Both times 4 equal 8. You can write here 8 down and the cubic root of 8. 2 times 4 8. And write up 6 cubic root of 4. Then write 6 product by cubic root of 4 plus 2 cubic root of 4. Cubic root of 8 equal 2. Understood this example? I product here cubic root of 4 numerator and numerator because cubic root of 2 we can summarize it by write 4. 2 times 4 8 cubic root of 4 equal 2. And then you can write 6 cubic root of 4 subtract by 6 over 2 cubic root 4 plus 2 cubic root of 4. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. You can find the answer here. Cubic root of 4, all the same terms. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Then 6 minus 3, 3, 3 plus 2 equal 5. Then the answer will be 5 cubic root of 4. Is the last step. Okay, it's important questions. Okay, my students, you must study hard these questions. Next question. Choose the correct answer. Triangle ABC congruent triangle XYZ. Measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equal 130 degree. The measure of angle B Z. Okay. Measure of angle Z equivalent to measure of angle C. We can find the measure of angle C from this triangle. We know the sum of angle of any triangle equal 180. Then the measure of angle C will be 50 degree. And also Z 50 degree because we have two triangles congruent. The measure of corresponding angles are equal in the measure. In the measure of angle Z equal measure of angle C equal 50 degree. If 2 power x minus 1 equal 1, one finds the value of x. 2 power 0 equal 1. We know 2 power 0 equal 1. Then 2 power x minus 1 equivalent to 1. It's meaning the power here will be equal 0. So x minus 1 equal 0. Then the value of x here equal 1. The value of x equal 1. Next question. Upper limit of this is 18 and center 15.5. Then its lower limit equal. He won't find lower. We won't find the lower. So I have the center equal upper plus lower divided by 2. It's a rule. The center of the set was 18 or plus lower 2 times 15 30 and then 31 equal 18 plus L. We can find the difference between 31 and 18. 11 minus 1, 2, 11 minus 8 equal 3 and 2 minus 1 equal 1. Then the lower limits equal 13. Okay, understood? You do here this properties. The product of extremes equal product of means. And then L, the lower will be 13. Understood? Next question. Next question here is the opposite figure. D and E are midpoints of two respectively line segment and EC, D and E. Okay, give me the example M 4 centimeter and CM 6 centimeter and PC was 8 centimeter. You don't find the parameter of triangle D. Listen to me first. We can prove that M is a centroid point first, but we have E and D are the midpoints of EC and EP. You can prove that first M is a centroid point like this, such that D and E are midpoints of EP and AC respectively. Then DE will be half of the length of BC in triangle ABC. Okay, DE half of BC. Then DE will be equal 4 centimeter. And also we can prove that now BE and DC are medians. They are medians, okay? BE and DC are medians in triangle. And we have also BE intersection with DC equal point M. Okay, they are intersection as a point M. Then M will be the centroid point. We called it what? Centroid point. Okay, my students understood? Then M centroid point. Then we can find the length of ME. He gives me this information, BM4, B 4 centimeters, and it will be half of M. Then we can complete here. Okay, I will complete next page. Then you can write ME. It will be half of, look at here, ME half of BM. BM was 4, half of 4 equal 2 centimeter. They give me CM was 6, then DM also half of MC. MC was 6, half of 6 equals 3 centimeter. And we take here DE half of BC, BC 8. Then DE half of BC. BC was, it will be 4 centimeter. The parameter equivalent sum of all sides about this triangle, outlier sides, ME plus MD, E2DE. You can find the parameter sum of all sides outliers. We have 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal 9 centimeters. Then the parameter here will be 9 centimeter. Okay? About small triangle, DME. Question, what is the correct answer? 30 60 triangle, look at here. It's rule about theorem. 60 or 30 60 triangle. The ratio between the length of hypotenuse and the length of the opposite side length of measure 30, it will be what? You want ratio between the opposite side of the angle or first of the hypotenuse. Ratio between the length of hypotenuse and the length of opposite side angle 30. Look at here, we have 30 60. Here's 30 and 60. The hypotenuse here twice the length, which is the opposite angle 30. And the ratio will be 2 to 1. Okay, understood? This side length twice the side length opposite 30. This angle 30 degree. Then the side length which opposite angle 30 degree, the length of this part half of hypotenuse. Then the ratio between of hypotenuse and the length of the opposite side length of the measure 30 degree, it will be 2 to 1. The ratio 2 to 1. Okay. Sum measure of contour angles of convex polygon is 1080 degree and its parameter 4 centimeter. Then its side length equal. Okay. Say we want to find sum of interior. He give me sum of interior. You can find the number of sides. If you know the number of sides, you can divide the parameter by the number of sides to find the length or find the length of one sides. How is this? We have here convex polygon. Then the sum of interior angle was 1080 equal n subtract by 2 product by 180. You can simplest divided by 180 here. Okay, cancel 0 by 0 and 180 divided by 18 equal what? We can simplest it. I divided by 180. Okay, we can write what? 6 times 8. Okay, 6. Because 6 times 8, 48. Write 8 and carry of 4. 1 times 6, 60 plus 4 equal 10. Okay. Understood? Then 108 divided by 18 equal 6. Then n minus 2 equals 6. Then the number of sides equal 8. Now we know the number of sides. He gave me the parameter equal 40. We can find the length of one side 40 divided by 8 because we have 8 sides and the sum of 8 sides equal 40. Okay, the sum of 8 sides here equal 40. Then the length of each one, it will be 40 divided by 8. 40 divided by 8 equal 5 centimeters. Then the length of one sides equal 5 centimeters. Divided parameter by the number of sides in this polygon. Next question number 3. 4 power 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's meaning 4 product 4 power 3. We can 8 power 3 plus 1, 4. Then the answer will be 4 power 4. Because the number was repeating 4 times. We have product about 2 pieces. Simplest is a value here and then find the value, numerical value in x equal 2. Okay. First step we have 4 power x plus 1 product by 9 power this product. Okay. Product 9 power 2 minus x over 6 power 2x. You can write here 4 2 power 2. 4 here equivalent to power 2. Okay, then power 2 times x will be 2x, 2 times 1 equal 2, and 9 equal 3 power 2. 9 here equal 3 power 2. 2 times 2 equal 4, and 2 times equal 2x. Now in the numerator 6 equivalent to pi 3, and then distribute the power here. Power x to power x. Next step we can write the base 2 and the base 3 and difference between two powers, right? And 2x plus 2 subtract by 2x and 4 subtract by 2x minus 2x. Subtract the powers here in the numerator. We can cancel. The result will be cancel 2x by 2x. The result will be 2 power 2 product by 3 power 4 minus 2x minus 2x. It will be 4x. Okay, minus 4x. Now we can find the value at x equal what? X equal, he tell me the example, x equal 3. Okay, then 2 power 2 4 and 3 power 4 minus 3 times 4 is 12. Then the answer will be 4 times 3 power 4 minus 12, it will be negative 8. Then you can write 4 over 3 power 8. 3 power 8, 3 times itself 8 times to find the answer. Okay, and by your power 2x, you can write here 4 equal 2 power 2, 2 times x equal 2x plus 2 times 9 equals 3 power 2, 2 times 2 4, 4 times, okay, 9 equals 3 power 2, 2 times 2 4, subtract by 2x over, understood this example, 9 equals 3 power 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times x, and next here 6 equivalent 2 by 3, distribute the power 2x here and 2x, and then write the base 2 and write the base 3. Find the difference between powers, 2x plus 2 minus 2x, and here 4 minus 2x minus 2x, subtract 2 powers. Okay, now we can cancel this. The result will be 2 power 2 product by 3 power. We have 4 minus 2x up in numerator, subtract 2x in numerator, then 4 minus 4x. Then the answer will be 4 product by 3 power 4 minus 4 times 3 at, now we can find the value at x equals 3. Put x equal 3, 3 times 4 equal 12. And the answer will be 4 times 3 power negative 8. Then we have 4 over 3 power 8. Understood? 9 here equals 3 power 2. 2 times 2 4 and 2 times negative 2x. And then you can simplify it in the numerator down. Okay, like this. You can find the answer by calculator here. Next question. Number 1, factorize this expression. We have addition between 2 squared. Then we can add and subtract. 8 positive or negative 2 square root of first 4x power 4 to convert this expression about difference between 2 squared to the to addition, converted from addition between 2 squared to difference between 2 squared. Then we must add and subtract positive or negative 2 product by square root of the first, product by square root of the third. Then we have positive or negative 2 times 2x power 2. The result will be positive or negative 4x power 2. Then in this example, look at here, we have 4x power 4 plus 1. We must add this number here, 4x power 2, and here negative 4x power 2. This expression convert to perfect square. You can factorize, find the square root of the first. Here it will be 2x power 2, and square root of this all power 2 subtract by 4x power 2, it will be 2x all power 2. Now we can factorize this expression, the difference between two powers, right? 2x power 2 plus 1 and 2x power 2 plus 1, subtract by 2x and e to 2x. Okay, understood? Next question, 3x power 2 plus 7x plus 2. We can factorize, or in brackets, 3x times x equals 3x power 2. We can write 2 times 1 equal 2, and 2 times 3 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7, and the sign here positive. It's okay. Solution, 3x power 2, 3x times x, and 2 equal 1 times 2. 2 times 3 equals 6, 6x, 1 times x equals x. The result will be 7x, sum of them. Next question, we have triangle here, ABC triangle and equilateral triangle, and we have this triangle here. Give me the measure of angle BD. D was 130 degree. He won't find the measure of angle D. Okay. Listen to me first. First step, we can find the measure of angle here. Look at here, DBC. We can write 130 subtract by 60 because we have equilateral triangle. First step, we can write in triangle at left hand side ABC, such that we have three sides equal. AB equal BC equal EC. Then measure of angle ABC is equivalent to 60 degree, and such that we have also measure of angle ABD was 130 degree. Then we can find the difference. Then measure of angle BCD, look at here, this angle BCD 130 subtract by 60 equals 70 degree. Then in triangle we have another triangle here. Look at here, in triangle PCD, such that we have BD is equivalent to DC. We called it isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, we can find the measure of angle D in numerator in up in the vertex. Then measure of angle CBD, it will be equal measure of angle DCB. They are equivalent because we have a isosceles triangle. Each one of them equal 70 degree. Then we can find measure of angle D in triangle equivalent 180 subtract the sum of two angles in the base. Right, 180 subtract by 140 equal 40 degree. The answer here will be 40 degree. Okay, understood? The measure of angle D equal 40 degree. Next question. Triangle here, we want to find the broad length of AD. Okay, first step, we can find the length of BC from a small triangle. We have right angle triangle and hypotenuse DC equal to root 3, DB equals 6 cm. We can find the length of BC. First step, right angle triangle, we have DBC such that measure of angle B was 90 degree. Then we can write BC power 2 equal DC power 2, the hypotenuse subtract by BC power 2 from Pythagoras theorem. DC power 2 here 2 root 3. Look at here, 2 root 3 power 2 subtract by BC power 2. BC equals 6, 6 power 2 equal 4 times 3 equal 12 subtract by 4 is 6. 4 product by 3 12, and 6 power 2 equals 36. How is this? But here about this question, it was 2 root 13. Okay, change the number. We have root 5 root 5 here, and this line segment 2 root 13, not 3. Okay, 2 root 13. 2 root 13. Okay, power 2, it will be 4 times 3 subtract by 4 times 13 subtract by 36. My students, change the number here. Change the number, it will be 2 root 13. Okay, 4 times 13 subtract by 36. 3 times 4 12, 2 at the carry of 1 times 4 4 plus 1 5 subtract by 36. Right, 4 and 12. 12 minus 6 equals 6, and 4 minus 3 1. Then the difference between two numbers, square root of square root. Then we can find PC square root of 16 equal 4 centimeter. Now we have PC equal 4 centimeter. Okay, Now we can find the length of side length here B. In this triangle, look at here, we have A, B, C. We found this number 4 centimeter and this side length 4 √5. We can find AB from Pythagoras theorem. We write AB power 2 equal hypotenuse power 2 4 √5 power 2 subtract by 4 power 2. 4 times 4 16, 16 times 5 subtract by 16. 5 times 6 30, 0 and carry up 3. 1 times the 5 plus 3 equal 8 subtract by 16. 10 and this 7, 10 minus 6 equal 4, 7 minus 1 is 5. Then it will be 54. Okay, then we can find the length of EB. 7 minus 1 6, sorry, 6. The AB square root of 64 equal 8 centimeters, and then AB equal 8 centimeter. Then we can find the length of ED, the difference between 8 and 6. We can find 8 minus 6 because AB found at 8 centimeter. 8 minus 6 equal 2 centimeters. Then AD equal 2 centimeter. Next question. We can find here arithmetic mean. There is a table. First step, we can find the value of x. Look at here. Look at here. About the steps. Look at with me. We'll do a table like this and divided it 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. First step, I will write here x and frequency and the center of sets and product between frequency and center of x. X here was 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And frequency here 2, 3. We can find frequency and we can find x here 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1. They give me the sum was 50. Okay. Understood, my students? We can find the differences along. Okay. Review with me about Arabic. Question true or false. 15, not 50. Okay, the summation was 15. Look at here, 15. Change the number here, 50 to 15. My students, the summation here 15, not 50. Okay. Sum was 15. Change the number here. Then 2 plus 3, look at here, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Then x will be 5 because 5 plus 10 equal 15. Right here 5, okay? 3, 5. And then 4 and 1. You can find the difference. 3 plus 1, 2, 2 divided by 2. The center between 1 and 3 it will be 2. Upper plus lower divided by 2. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 divided by 2, 2. All the time he 8, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And the time 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 4, 12, 5 times 6, 30, 4 times 8, 32, 1 times 10 equal 10. Then we can find x bar, sum of all the numbers here. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1 equal 8. And sum frequency was 15. Okay, understood? 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 3 times 4, 12, 30, 32, 10. And then collect 4 plus 12, 16, 16 plus this number 46, plus 10, 56, 56 plus 32 equal 88 divided by 15. You can find the answer here about this example. It will be 5.8. Okay, it's last question, my students. Understood?